excited for the jet stream.
Oh, I know. How do you think you're gonna go down? Just like regular style, or?
I mean, yeah, right?
I mean, yeah, but I was thinking of going down like one-handed, so.
Oh, I'm sorry, did I say regular? I meant no-handed.
Are you really gonna set this precedent with me right now?
Megan, these are unprecedented times.
Well, I mean, I was just thinking of going down like blindfolded or something.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go up to the sky jump, I'm gonna run, I'm gonna jump, and I'm gonna launch myself off of here, and I'm gonna zip down, and it's gonna be incredible.
Well, I'm gonna grab a skateboard from the skate park and do kickflips all down the wire, all the way down the jet stream.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna flip the whole way down, okay?
I'm gonna take my arms and legs, wrap around the wire, sloth style, and zoom down the jet stream, no harness.
Oh, well, okay. Well, I'm just gonna fly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna jump!
Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah, we'll just go regular.
Can you go? Too?
Yes. I've never gone on this side before.
Me neither, not on this side.
You guys ready to go?
Okay, so
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ready?
Is this your first time on the jet
It is
stream?
my first time.
Oh,
Okay, cool.
trying to hold it steady. I'm trying to hold it steady so you can have a steady ride and look around.
Woo! Ready for this, people? Everyone watching?
Okay.
You
Step
step
down.
down.
Okay.
And then,
Whenever you guys are ready.
Did I just jump?
3,
so 1, 2, 3, and it's like a sit,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Oh, I want-
So, 1,
2, 1, go!